So let's say I had to start from scratch. I had zero email list, I had zero social media following, and I wanted to get to 10K per month as quickly as possible. Well, in this video, I want to kind of take you guys behind the curtain and show you step by step exactly what I would do. I'm going to show you the model. I'm going to show you how it works. I want to show you how to get clients and what I've done to grow my business to past 10K per month. So I'm not a guru. I don't have a Lamborghini. I don't have a Ferrari. Honestly, I think that shit's kind of cheesy. And I'm just a regular dude from Mississippi, but I have been able to make over $1 million in the past 3.5 years using the model that I'm going to share with you. And I want to show you some other regular people just like you that have been able to do it as well. Now, again, I'm just a regular dude. I'm not special. Check this out. I've got cornhole set up in my living room, so I'm kind of a weirdo too. But I just want to show you guys that this is possible and that you can do it too, okay? So I'm gonna head over to the computer and I'm gonna show you exactly what we do. All right, so just to show you I'm not completely full of crap, let me actually show you our dashboard in our paid Skool community. So this is our paid Skool community. You can see that we are generating $10,520 MRR, which is monthly recurring revenue, meaning that every single month we are bringing in $10,520 from our paid community. And that is just one income stream that we actually have. Now let me take you to our accounting software and I'll show you the full picture. So this is our accounting software, Wave Apps. And you can see for the past 6 months, we've generated anywhere from $19,000 to $30,000 pretty consistently. So that's the proof that we are making the 10K per month. Now let's talk about how we're doing it. So before we get into the model, I actually want to share a quick story with you that hopefully proves to you that you can do this, okay? So I was at this event recently and I sat down by this guy named Matt. And we started talking, kind of a super nice guy, very shy. But I asked him what he did. And he was like, I have a coaching program where I teach people how to play the trumpet. And I'll be totally honest, not to be a dick or anything, but in my head, I was thinking, oh, okay, cool. He probably doesn't make that much money. I don't know why I was thinking that. But anyway, didn't think anything of it. We went along with the rest of the event. The next day, they started handing out awards. And the award was for the people that had made 7 figures in a year. And so they called a couple of people up. They got their awards. And then all of a sudden, they called Matt's name. And so Matt steps up there. I'm like, holy crap. So this guy is making over $100,000 a month teaching people how to play the trumpet. And that just blew my mind. It kind of opened up my whole thought process around what you can do to make money. And so Matt has taken his skills and he's monetized that. And so he's not a famous musician. He's not selling thousands of records. He's just a regular guy that has found a skill that he can monetize. And now he's teaching people how to play the trumpet better. And he's very profitable doing it. And it's not just Matt. There are people in all kinds of different niches that are doing this exact same thing. Let me head over to the computer and show you some more examples. So this is the platform that I run my business on. It's called Skool. And there are literally hundreds of other examples of people just like Matt that are doing the exact same thing. They're turning their knowledge into an online business and they're doing really well at it. So these aren't just business coaches or marketing gurus. These are regular everyday people that are teaching things that they love and they're making money from it. So let me show you a few of examples of just give you some ideas. So this is Casey. He's got 1,800 people paying him $49 a month. I think that's close to $80,000. And all he's doing is teaching men how to be more confident dating women. Then we got Kyle here, who's got 691 people paying him $39 a month, teaching them how to get better at pickleball. So this is a great example of jumping on a trend if you're really good, if you have this skill, and making money from it, okay? Then we've got Silky here, who is actually she's got 245 people paying her $79 a month. I think that's close to $18,000, teaching people how to sketch, y'all. That is insane that somebody can make money teaching these kind of skills, but she's not some famous artist. She's just teaching something she's super passionate about to people who want to learn that skill. And then finally, this one's going to blow your mind. It's kind of funny. This is William, and he's got a business where he is teaching people how to start a dog poop scooping business. And he's got 708 members paying him $69 a month. I think that's close to $45,000 a month, teaching people how to pick up dog crap. So that goes to show you that you don't need to, you can take your knowledge, your skills, your passions, and you can turn it into a business. And you don't need a big, beautiful website. You don't need some complicated marketing funnel. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. It's way simpler than you think, and it only comes down to 3 simple steps. All right, so if you want to follow along with this, I want you to list all of the things that you can either teach people or help people with, okay? And I don't want you to filter yourself on this. I don't want you to overthink it. I just want you to make a big list, because you don't have to be this world-class expert to be paid for your knowledge and skills. You just need to be a little bit ahead of the person that you're trying to help. Let me give you an example. So let's say that you want to learn the guitar, right? You're brand new to guitar and you've never picked it up before, and you want to find somebody to teach you how to play guitar. Well, you're probably not going to go out and try to find Slash from Guns N' Roses, right? You're probably going to look online. Maybe you're going to watch some YouTube videos and learn some different chords or some different songs. And maybe you find somebody that you really like and connect with, and you look into them a little bit deeper and see that they have a program, and then pay that person to teach you how to play the guitar. They're going to teach you how to play all the chords. They're going to teach you how to play some different songs so you can look cool at the pool party. So that is probably what you're going to do instead of trying to hire the best person in the world. And that's really how this business works. You don't need to be a 10 out of 10 expert. You need to be a 3 teaching a 1, or like a 5 teaching a 3. All right, so go ahead and make that list of skills that you're like a 3 or above, where you can actually help people or teach people something. And don't worry if you think you don't have any skills right now. By the way, I don't think that's true. You can actually pick something that you're super passionate about, or maybe that's hot and trending right now. For example, AI. And for the next 60 to 90 days, you can go all in learning everything you can about that subject, and you can become a level 3 or above expert in that time. And you can immediately start teaching people that are just getting started. So again, go ahead and ask yourself, what is something that I'm already really good at or passionate about that I can learn really quickly? Because if people want to learn it, then they will pay for it. All right, so you have your list. You've narrowed it down to something valuable that you can teach people. The next step is we got to get in front of the right people and get their attention. And I want to get it out of your head that you got to have this huge audience to start making money. I know people out there that are making 10K, 20K, 50K, even 100K per month, and all they have is a small engaged following. All right, so there are really only 2 ways to get attention. There is the organic content side, where you don't need any money to get started. And this is where you're going to pick a channel. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. And you're going to start posting content around your audience's biggest struggles. And you don't have to go viral to make this work. I literally have some videos on YouTube that have less than 2,000 views, and they've made me well over $50,000. The second way to get attention is paid ads. Now, this is much faster than organic content, but it also requires a budget to get started. So if you don't want to wait or can't wait on organic growth, this is a great option. Now, don't freak out when I talk about paid ads. It's a lot simpler than you think. Essentially, what we do is we create lead magnets, which I'll show you in just a second, and we drive traffic to those lead magnets, and that's how we get people into our ecosystem. We build that know, like, and trust, and then they can learn more about how to work with us. So even if you have a small following or no following at all, you can actually start getting clients pretty quickly by showing up where they are and providing value. So if you remember Matt from earlier, he doesn't have hundreds of thousands of followers, and he's still able to make $100,000 a month. Why? Because he's using a combination of YouTube organic content and Facebook paid ads to get in front of his audience that needs his help. All right, so now you know the business model. We're going to be picking a skill that you can help people with. We're going to be getting their attention using organic content and paid ads. And then you're going to sell your knowledge and skills using a coaching program or a course. And we're going to show you how to create that offer in just a second. But the big question is, how do you actually get clients? So I firmly believe that an online community is the very best way to get coaching clients in 2025. I showed you some examples from my own business where we're making over 10K per month with our paid community. And then on top of that, we have a high ticket offer that allows us to make 20, even 30K per month. I also showed you some examples from Skool, which is an online community platform where people are making 20, 40, even 80K per month in different niches, like the hobby niche, the sports niche, the dating niche, even a niche where a guy is teaching people how to build a poop scooping business. So you've seen the proof. Now let me show you how the model actually works to help you to get clients. All right, so just like we talked about before, we're going to be getting people attention and driving traffic using organic content and paid ads. So specifically how we're doing it is we use Facebook organic content, we use YouTube videos, and we use Facebook ads to drive people into our free community. Once they're in our free community, we work to book a call with those people. And then this is just a very laid back, simple call. It's no high stress sales call. And then on that call, we just decide if we can actually, if they have a problem, we can help them solve. And if they do, which offer that we have is our best fit for them. Are they wanting to go faster and they have a little bit more money? Then they're a good fit for a high ticket service. If they don't have as much money and they want to go a little bit slower, they want to do it themselves, then they're a great fit for our paid community. All right, so let me scroll down here and walk you through our process of creating what I call a beta offer. Now, I am a firm believer that I don't want to spend my time creating this big long course or coaching program until I've validated the idea and I know that people want what I have to offer and they'll pay me for it. All right, so here's the process we go through to actually accomplish that. So your audience, it has a current situation where they're not fulfilled, they don't have what they want, and they have a desired outcome that they're trying to get through. So there is a gap between these two spaces. And so your product is the step-by-step process that you take people through to help them go from their current situation to their desired outcome. So that is your product. Now, your product is not your offer. Your offer is the way that you package up that product to make it irresistible to your target audience. So once we have the product roadmap, we can package it up in a way that makes it irresistible. And then once we have the offer, we can develop what we call an offer one-sheeter so that when we talk to people, we can present that offer in a structured way to make them want to buy that offer. And if it's something that they want and they'll pay for, then they would join your beta program, and then you can start to deliver and fulfill on the offer that you sold them. All right, so now that we have your beta offer, we're ready to present that offer to your target audience. So that means we need to start conversations with your target audience. The easiest way to do that is to use what we call a lead magnet. And a lead magnet is just something of value that we give someone in exchange for their contact information. All right, so this could be a cheat sheet, a checklist, an AI prompt, something of value that people are willing to give you their contact information to get access to that. All right, so how do we create lead magnets? Let me show you. Remember, we have our product roadmap that we mapped out earlier, which is the process we take people through to go from their current situation to their ultimate dream outcome. Now, in that process, there's going to be certain steps that people are just more attracted to, they're more interested in. So what we want to do is we want to find those steps that people are more interested in, and then we want to come up with ideas of like little utilities, like I said before, cheat sheets, checklists, AI prompts that are going to help people accomplish that step a lot faster, more efficiently, and easier. So once we have the step, then we can use ChatGPT, Claude, any other your favorite AI tools to come up with ideas around lead magnets that we could use and promote to get people's attention and to start those conversations. Now, just like with our offer, I don't want to spend a bunch of time creating a lead magnet, even though we have a really easy process for doing that using AI. I don't want to create that lead magnet ahead of time unless I know that people actually want it. So I can go to my social media channels, or I can send an email to my list to see if people actually want that lead magnet. And if I get enough people raising their hand saying, hey, yeah, I want that lead magnet, I can go off and I can create it really easy using AI. So that's kind of our process. We pick the step in the product roadmap, we ideate different ideas, we validate that idea, and then we build it. So that's where we create our lead magnets. Now let me show you how we're going to promote that lead magnet to start those conversations, present our offer, and sell people. All right, so now that we have a lead magnet, if we've chosen the right step that we know people are actually interested in, we've got a piece of content that we can now promote with organic content and paid ads to get people's attention, to drive them into our community, to get them on a call, to present them with our beta offer. So that's how this works. We're going to go back to our channels, our organic content channels. So hopefully you've picked a channel where your audience is hanging out and you can get your content in front of people. That's going to be one of your channels. We love YouTube. I think it's one of the best channels to drive traffic and get people's attention right now in any niche. And so we use a combination of organic social, and right now that is Facebook for us, and then YouTube, where we create videos that are aligned to our lead magnets. And then we also use paid ads to promote those same lead magnets. We drive them into our free community, and that's where that funnel takes over. We're booking calls, we're presenting our offer, and selling people into our programs. So now you know exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch and I wanted to grow a brand new business to 10K per month. And you've got the business model, you know how to get clients, but here's the thing. Most people are going to get stuck because they're going to try to do this alone, and I don't want you to do that. I want you to implement this stuff. So what we've done is I've actually created a free course that's going to take you through this entire process. I'm going to drop a link in the description where you can join our free community and you can get instant access to this course. So come join us, say hi, and we'll see you in the next video.